Hi, in today's hsbDesign for Revit training session, I would like to give you an introduction to the shop drawings. You can find the shop drawings in the HSB output ribbon. You can create shop drawings for beams and CLTs, and for all kinds of containers, such as wall containers, floor containers, roof containers, and ceiling containers. You can also create shop drawings for assembly instances. Before creating a shop drawing, it is highly advised to create position numbers for the single items. To do so, you can use the tool in the HSB output ribbon. At first, you're asked to select all of the items for which you want to create position numbers. After clicking Finish, you have to set up the filters and you can choose your starting number. Next up, you can select if you want to keep the existing numbers or start from scratch. I would always keep the existing numbers in case you already have some plans which have fixed numbers, which are all in production already. Okay, the position numbers will be added. If you click on an element, you can check if the position numbers have been added correctly. In our case, we want to create a shop drawing for a wall container, so we select this tool, and here we have all of the available shop drawing templates. Of course, you can create your own templates as well, but these are the templates that you will have with the installation of hsbDesign for Revit. They are always structured the same, so it's 130, and then, for example, Zone 4, Zone 5, and we want to create a shop drawing for Zone 0, so for the studs. After selecting this template, we click OK, and all of the filters and templates that are necessary for this will be imported into your drawing. So after this is done, this window opens up, and in the background, you can see all of the single sizes of this template. So you select the template that you want to use. In our case, we only loaded one template into the drawing, and click OK. You are then asked to select the item container or containers for which you want to create the shop drawing. We'll do it for this item container, and after we click Finish, the shop drawing will be created. You can find the shop drawing in the Sheet tab in the project browser. So, as you can see, this has been nicely created. If you would want to change the size, you can select the whole title block, and in here, select the different size. I'll show you how to change to an A2 landscape sheet size, despite this not being the correct sheet size for the scale of this drawing. Now, we'll switch back to an A3 landscape. A shop drawing consists of viewports, and these viewports have section view anchors. In these section view anchors are all of the settings of each viewport, and in our next video, we'll take a look at the configuration of such a viewport and how you can manipulate these settings in an easy manner. I hope this video gave you a good first introduction to shop drawings. See you for the next video, where we will take a look at the configuration of a shop drawing